In this video, we're going to learn how to create animated stacked bar charts using Python programming language. Stacked bar charts are an excellent tool for comparing categorical data across different groups or categories. They allow us to visualize the distribution and proportions of data in a visually engaging manner. There are various applications for stacked bar charts, such as analyzing and comparing share market data over time, or comparing the scores of two cricket teams over the course of 20 overs. But before we dive into the coding part, make sure you have all the prerequisites installed on your system. Step 1. Installing Anaconda. Open your browser and visit www.anaconda.com. Click on the download button to get the latest version of Anaconda. Once the installation is complete, search for Jupyter Notebook and launch it. A new Chrome tab will open with the address http://local8888/tree. In the Documents section, click on New and select Python 3 Notebook. Give your notebook a name such as Animated Stacked Bar Charts. Step 2. Installing SjVisualizer. Awesome! Now that we have everything set up, let's dive into the code. In the first cell of your notebook, import the necessary modules, SjVisualizer, time, and JSON. In the next cell, let's define the main function responsible for creating and displaying the animated stacked bar chart. This function takes two parameters, frames per second, FPS, and animation duration. Inside the main function, we have several steps to follow in order to create the animated stacked bar chart. Step 1. Calculate the number of frames using the formula duration multiplied by 60 and frame per second. Step 2. Load the Excel dataset containing information about desktop OS market share. You can download it from our website, link in the description. Step 3. Create a canvas and add the stacked bar chart to it. Step 4. Add titles and subtitles to the graph. 5. Add time indications such as months if applicable. 6. Render the animation. Finally, call the main function to generate the animated stacked bar chart. And there you have it. You should now see a fascinating animated stacked bar chart displaying the countries with the desktop OS market share. If you found this tutorial helpful and learned something new, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting Python tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy coding!